standing looking, mouth wide open. I walked over, licking my lips and adjusting my and switching my hip. He threw his hand on my waist, looked in my face and said he wanna know how I taste.
I taste just like candy, so dance with me. I taste just like candy, so dance with me. I taste just like candy, so dance with me. I taste just like candy, so dance with me.
Now just imagine me nude, stretched out. I'll be all over the news if this gets out. So that the press might ban me. Now how bad you wanna know if I'm sweeter than candy? What would you risk? Would you put up the car? Taste my nana in the rain on the hood of your car or the back of the plane? It's all out, bent over the sink with my panties in your mouth. With my dark skin complexion steps in. Won't take no questions to get him. And the thought of Fox give me to get real stiff at the sight of my
Indian gal, Indian gal, Indian gal.
Yes, man.
Super T.
Don't be this Indian girl, girl, come and wine and walk she waist. Take over the street, make a bacchanal in the place. Drop it to the ground and shake it all around. Push up on a speaker, beat it like a Indian drum. Calling Mr. Lotella, this girl she popular. She known from all over. She come from India, but she is my sister, my one only sister. If you coming over, come and meet me by the bar. So you can walk up the ladki, walk up the ladki, walk up the ladki.
You want me walk up the ladki, walk up the ladki, walk up the ladki.
Boy, come and walk up the ladki, walk up the ladki, walk up the ladki.
You want me walk up the ladki, walk up the ladki, walk up.
The saddest day of my life. The saddest day of my life. The saddest day of my life. Yeah. The saddest day of my life. The saddest day of my life. The saddest day of my life. Yes. The saddest day of my life is when she left me with a broken heart. I was feeling the pain, the pain, the pain. The saddest day in my life is when she left me with a broken heart. I was going insane. Yes, try to erase all the memories. They're the ones that haunt me. If I could forget all about the past, how long will this go on? The saddest day in my life is when she left me with a broken heart. I was feeling the pain, the pain, the pain. The saddest day in my life is when she left me with a broken heart. I was going insane. I wish that my thoughts could rewind the end.
Joy in your eyes, ain't nothing no tears. Love is what you're giving me throughout the years. Every time you need me, I will be there, my dear, I swear. Love in your eyes, ain't nothing no fear. Joy is what you're giving me throughout the years. Every time you need me, I will be there, my dear, I swear. No mistaking in everything you do, and I will always be a part of you. And Judge made us, and He will see us through. Our son forever, baby girl, this love is true. I've been searching for the longest time, almost giving up, never thought I would find. See many roses die on the vine, but a hidden treasure in you I might find it. Joy in your eyes, in a scene of tears. Love is what you're giving me throughout the years. Every time you need me, I will be is what you're giving me throughout the years. Every time you need me, I will be there, my dear. Love a one that really don't deserve me. Not try to keep and not try to preserve me. He's a boy to get to leave, but girl, you hurt me. In New York, I was only few deemed worthy. Body have it physically strong and sturdy. Spiritually balanced, we clean and purge me. Mentally advanced, we always search me. We read couple books and challenge the clergy. Read a couple psalms up in the morning early. Could you be so kind and show me a sign? I've been searching and it's so hard to find. Decent values with a decent wine. Decent you be running it down the line. Maybe it's my mind, maybe I'm blind. Maybe it's the way that I've been spending my time. I'm still searching for a fine peace of mind. Decent you be running it down the line.
Yo, Jamaica Stevie Wonder. Yeah, me
And he's got love on his mind, but what he'll never know, a virtuous woman is.
We've been on a tragedy for months. Why can't you agree with me for once? Maybe we can be on chill tonight. Maybe I can give you chills too. We've been on a tragedy for months. Why can't you agree with me for once? Yeah, maybe we can be on chill tonight.
One time.
Maybe I can give you
Chill.
chills.
I'm getting mine like fine wine measured in time. Many other brothers love you, but this pleasure is mine. It's no pressure for us to say that I.
I'm not afraid. Yeah. It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that place to
Get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place. If you're trying to get out, just follow me. I'll get you there. You can try and read my lyrics off of this paper before I lay them, but you won't take the sting out these words before I say them. Cause ain't no way I'm gonna let you stop me from causing mayhem. When I say I'm gonna do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me, so fuck the world, feed it beans. It's gassed up, everything's just stopping me. I'ma be what I set out to be, without a doubt, undoubtedly. And all those who look down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony. No ifs, ands, or buts, don't try to ask him why, how can he? From Infinite down to the last relapse album, he's still shitting, whether he's on salary, paid hourly, until he bows out or he shit just bows out of him. Whichever comes first, for better or worse. He's married to the game, like a fuck you for Christmas. His gift is a curse. Forget the earth, he's got the urge to pull his dick from the dirt and fuck the whole universe.
I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand, come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm. Let you know that you're not alone. Holla if you feel like you've been down the same road.
And shit and cut the crap. I shouldn't have to rhyme these words in the rhythm for you to know it's a rap. You said you was king, you lied through your teeth. For that, fuck your feelings. Instead of getting crowned, you're getting capped. Into the fans, I'll never let you down again, I'm back. I promise to never go back on that promise. In fact, let's be honest, at last we laughed. CD was aired, perhaps I ran them accents into the ground. Relax, I ain't going back to that now. All I'm trying to say is get back, put back loud. Cause I ain't playing around. It's a game called Circle and I don't know how. I'm way too up to back down, but I think I'm still trying to figure this crap out. Thought I had it mapped out, but I guess I didn't. This fucking black cloud still follows me around, but it's time to exercise these demons. These motherfuckers are doing jumping jacks.
I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand, come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather.
Tell me your name, please. I want the Trini thing mixed with the Guyanese. Light skin, cause her mama have Portuguese. Buck skin girl with the eyes like Chinese. I've been watching your front for over a month. I want poke your patty cake and beat your skunk. You could drink high wine till we both well drunk. Bottles of the punching got me feeling a hump. Half Indian, half Bengali girl. You know I say me want to see your body, girl. You not care about nothing, you's a real party girl. Hot brown skin girl, coolie style Barbie girl. She do the Indian wine when she shake that. Thick girl, every man want to take that. If you say you want to keep me, you know you have to treat me. And you know say you must make that. I want a big plate of curry with the white rice. Then it's off to the bar for some nightlife. Rude girl straight say she want fuck me. To them tune or the soca and the chutney. When them play the tune, the coolie girl will rush me and wine pon the body like as if say them love me. Genghis Khan, Indian, real shoot to that. When we stepping out the dance, them run super cat.
Wind up your line for me, sit back. Hey girl, wind up your line for me, love when you wine pon the wine till you're mad to the Indian one. She tell her friend name Chini how much she love Papi, circle me hands more 9 more times. The coolie wine, girl, go hard and hard. Wind up your body from your feel alright, girl. That body them me well want up. The pretty little garden me want plant up. Facebook the whole of our friend post up. From them reach a me yard them never want play with them ear.
Yeah. Some full of trickery out there. Whoa, only but up out there. You ragged and dirty out there. And somebody gets smutty out there. You Rastafari, you Rastafari, you Rastafari, you Rastafari. Protect we out there. Never left we out there. No. Father, we see your blessing. Every day your children cry. Although some of us are missing, miss no life up and I can die. Father, we see your blessing. Every day your children cry. Although some of us are missing, miss no life up and I can die. Many a times our heart grieves. You see the things Babylon above them sleep. Equal rights.
Watch her blow over, drink us away.
Definitely set this party alright.
That you need me, then you go and cut me down. But wait, you tell me that you're sorry. Didn't think I'd turn around. You say that it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too
Even here inside these walls, breaking each other's hearts. And we don't care cause we're so in too deep. Can't think about giving it up. But I never knew love would feel like a heart attack. It's killing me, swear I never cried so much. Cause I never knew love would hurt this bad. The worst pain I ever had. Never knew love would hurt this bad. The worst pain that I ever had.
Gotta take the time to cut them off, I need.
Bad bitch, if she do it, I say so. Two big 40s and a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Put up a phone, not a blueberry fango.
The way you walk, the way you move, the way you talk, the way you stare, the way you look, your style.
Pinky need a gang of cool points and a drop head, make them drop dead, yeah. You ain't scared, you ain't scared, you ain't scared, yeah. Believe me, I'm out. You see me?
don't wanna go another day, so I'm telling you exactly what is on my mind. Seems like everybody's breaking up and throwing their love away, but I know I got a good thing right here. That's why I say, hey, nobody gonna love me better. I'ma stick with you forever. Nobody gonna take me higher. I'ma stick with you. You know how to appreciate me. I'ma stick with you, my baby. Nobody ever made me feel this way. I'ma stick with you. I don't wanna go another day, so I'm telling you exactly what is on my mind. See the way we ride it.
The DJ, won't you turn the music up? It goes 1 by 1, even 2 by 2. Everybody in the floor, let me show you how we do. Let's go. Dip it low, then you bring it up slow. Wind it up 1 time, wind it back once more. Come, run, 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 run. Everybody move, run. Let me see you move, and rock it to the groove. Done. Shake it till the moon becomes the sun. Everybody in the club, give me a run. If you ready to move, say yeah. 1 time for your mind, say yeah, yeah. Well, I'm ready for it. Come, let me show you. You want to groove, I'ma show you how to move. Come, Mr. DJ, song on the replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All the girls run the dance for wanting some more. Mr. DJ.
Hey, and I feel it taking over. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. I'm more than just a number. Hey, hey, hey. I doubt you'll find another. Hey, hey, hey. So every single summer, hey, 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 I'll be the one that you remember. And I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart.
You see this scar here on my chest? I'm hurting, and he don't even care. It's 4 AM and my lover won't answer. He's probably somewhere with the dancer, sipping champagne while I'm in his bed. It's 4 AM and I think I might lose it. It's I'm thinking I'm stupid. He must have bumped his head. Only know it's 4 AM.
Yeah, you know who it is. Leave a message to beat. I get at you. CTL out.
Standing here and I'm getting.
I don't dance but I can shake a leg. I want 2-step Billie Jeans and new jeans.
Money on my wrist, I'm going crazy. Canary princess cuts for my baby. Out the window, I can hit her whole belly. Sipping Louis for.
She's nothing like a girl you've ever seen before. Nothing you can compare to your neighborhood. Oh, I'm trying to find the words to this.
Shine my name. Want you feel me lover, me want you feel me friend till the very end, till the very end. But I don't want somebody hanging up on me. From the game she was spitting in my ear, you would think that she knew me. Decided to cheat. Conversation got heavy. She had me feeling like she's ready to blow. She's saying, come get me. So I got up and followed her to the floor. She said, baby, let's go. When I told her, I said, Shorty got down, she said, come and get me. I got so caught up that she told me, her be my girl, she be the best of me. Next thing I knew, she was all up on me screaming,
A movie star, you may not drive a big fast car, but I love you in every way. I love you in every way. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know
Woman, you may not be wealthy and drive a fast car. But me now go left you out, cause we a come from far. You remember when me only have one arrow shirt and go muggle with me in your tight up skirt. As long as me never mass under the earth, me now forget where me a come from. Me now go dish your dirt.
I'll keep on loving you.
Always.
I don't know why.
Sweet double. Shoodly-wop, shoodly-whoop, whoa, shoodly-wop, diddly-diddly-whoa. Swing, and the intercom Rosie tell me to come. So she didn't have a daughter, she did have a son. She said the lift doesn't work, run up the stairs and come. And if you don't come quick, you're not gonna know that son. So I grab a bunch of rose and I started to run. Here I come, whoa. 2 months later, she said, come and get your son, cause I don't want your baby to come tie me down. Not because you are old and I am young. Yes, while I'm young, yes, I wanna have some fun. Run me down. Shoodly waddly diddly woodly diddly whoa. Swing. I'm broad, I'm broad, I'm broader than Broadway. Yes, I'm broad, I'm broad, I'm broader than Broadway. When you go to Volcano, it's like a stage show. You have man that swing, DJ and blow. Pull it down the radio. Swing. And the intercom Rosie tell me to come. Said she didn't have a daughter, she did have a son. She said the lift doesn't work, run up the stairs and come. And if you don't come quick, you're not gonna see your son. So I grab a bunch of rose and I started to run. Here I come, whoa. 2 months later, she said, come and get your son, cause I don't want your baby.